The brave little turtle.
Lol.
Hmm. The brave little turtle. Timmy was a small, shy turtle who lived in a peaceful pond, while the other turtles loved swimming in the deep end. Timmy was too scared. What if I sink? He'd worried. One day, a baby duck got stuck in the deep weeds. Help! It cried. The animals watched nervously. No one dared to go in. Timmy trembled but whispered, "If I don't help, who will?" He took a deep breath and paddled out carefully. He freed the baby duck. Everyone cheered. From that day on, Timmy is not known as shy, but as the brave little turtle. The brave little turtle.
Next.